2008 Nissan Titan, crank no start. Changed the Ipdm, didn't help. Changed the ECU, didn't help. Changed the cam sensor and the crank sensor, didn't help. Changed the fuel pump with the sending unit, didn't help. Eventually changed the evap purge valve that's in the engine bay on top of the intake manifold, or the side of the intake manifold, and the evap canister valve. After that, the truck started right up. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out there that's having the same problem I had. Thanks for watching.